Welcome to all you Life Unleashers. You ask me often, Denise, is it possible to train your brain to make more money? My answer to you is absolutely yes. The technique I present in this video is the most powerfully profound technique I know to help people change their limiting beliefs, emotional state, behaviors and habits, and of course, ultimately their results. If you only learn and master one personal change technique, this is the one. Welcome to Life Unleashed, a channel committed to helping you achieve true wealth and winning the game of life. Brain tools and technologies no one else on YouTube is teaching you that can truly change your mindset in a matter of minutes, not months and years. So if you are still struggling with money and want to make more money, but no matter how hard you try, you are still stuck, then this video will solve your problem. As we go through different concepts within this video to implement this mindset technique, I want you to comment below, be fully engaged, participate, and ask questions. I promise you will get way more out of this video if you do. So let's get started. I will teach you this technique in 4 quick, fun steps to retrain your brain in this video specifically about making more money. Step 1, setting the stage. You need first to become conscious of your relationship with money. You can't change anything you are not aware of. To become conscious of your money relationship, we're going to play a word association game to uncover those unconscious money scripts running you. So question number 1, money is blank. So jot down all your answers in the next couple of seconds. Question 2, my relationship with money is blank. Question 3, money makes me feel blank. Question 4, my greatest fear about money is blank. Step 2, elicit one of your negative mental programs or memories about money. Mental maps or programs are the unconscious ways we represent memories, feelings, and experiences within our brains. The response you give to the questions in step 1 represent how you encode your current experiences about money. For example, if your answer in question 1 is money is a struggle, you encoded unconsciously that experience of money on 2 levels. The first level is at the modality level. Our stored experiences or memories first come from external information through our 5 senses: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, also gustatory and olfactory, which is taste and smell, associated with your money struggle experience. Within each modality, We also have submodalities or cinematic distinctions or qualities of our experiences. Submodalities are like the structure of your thoughts. So when you change the structure, the meaning and your response to it also changes, which is everything. That changes your mental map. For example, the image or picture associated with your money struggle experience can have a size. Perhaps it's large. Maybe the image is small. Maybe it's got specific dimensions like 5 inches by 5 inches. The image can be black and white or color, and so forth. These are just examples of features, image features or submodalities. To understand the profound power of submodalities, for example, a huge problem with money can feel overwhelming, or it can be a mere problem that needs to be solved with a simple shift in making that image smaller. In this step 2, let's elicit a more comprehensive but by no means exhausted list of submodalities regarding your experience of money as a struggle. In the next step 3, I will have you alter some of those sensory qualities or submodalities so you can start to experience firsthand how those changes impact your feelings, your beliefs, and your experiences about money. For example, after using this submodality technique, your emotional state could literally shift from fear or anxiety to optimism about your financial situation. Again, with this powerful submodality technique, you are not changing the content like you are attempting to change with affirmations, but rather you're changing the structure of your mental maps, which changes the meaning you give them. To give you the experience of this profound technique, first let's elicit the submodalities of your experience of money as a struggle. Ask yourself, when you think of your current situation or relationship with money as a struggle, what image, picture, sounds, and or feelings come to mind? What is the size of the picture? Is it big, small, certain dimensions? Where is the picture located relative to your body? Right, left, in front of you, behind you? How close to your body? 2 inches, 2 feet, 2 miles? Is the picture black and white or color? Is it bright or dim? Is there a feeling associated with the picture? If yes, where in your body is that feeling? What is the shape and size of that feeling in your body? Are you in the picture as though it's happening right now, or are you seeing yourself in the picture like a movie? Are there any internal sounds like self-talk, or external sounds like car sounds or a loud scream associated with the picture? Is the volume of those sounds high or low? Step 3. So now we're going to change your mental maps about money by changing some of these submodalities. As mentioned earlier, when we change some of those sensory qualities or submodalities, we can actually change the mental programs in your brain. Here's how. In step 2, when I asked what image comes to mind when you think of money as a struggle, let's assume the image that came to mind is you're opening your credit card bill, stunned by the size of your balance. Some of the submodalities of that picture, let's assume, is that the picture is large and overwhelming. The picture is colored, and the picture's location relative to your body is right in front of you. In terms of sounds, you also hear an internal voice inside your head say how irresponsible and a failure you are. In terms of feelings, you feel fear in the pit of your stomach that is the size and shape of a beach ball. Now the fun and excitement begin. Let's start changing some of those submodalities to the opposite of what you just imagined. In this case, make the image of you opening up your credit card bill black and white rather than color. Shrink the picture so it is the size of a dot, not large and overwhelming. And move that picture out from you so it is a mile away, not right in front of you. Also make that internal voice about your being irresponsible into a Donald Duck voice. Then change the fear in your stomach from a beach ball to a small triangle, and move that triangle to the tip of your fingers, not in your stomach. Now notice with just a few of those submodality changes how different you feel about your money. Is your feeling of money as a struggle completely gone, or at least toned down? What new beliefs or feelings are you ready to embrace or at least be open to? So before we go on to the last step, if you are getting value from this video, please boop the like button. That tells me I am on the right track in giving you value. Now on to step 4. Now it's your turn to apply the same technique to one of your answers in step 1. Let's give you an opportunity to play with this submodalities technique as it relates to your current relationship with money. So again, go back to step 1 and look at your answer to my relationship to money is blank. Go through this drill, that is steps 1 through 3, just as we went through them now, and jot down your answers so you understand and experience how changing some of these qualities or structure of your money association actually changes your experience, your emotional state, your beliefs. So when you think of your relationship to money currently, ask yourself, what image, picture, sounds, and/or feelings come to mind? Write those down. What is the size of that picture? Where is it located relative to your body? Right, left, in front, behind? How close to your body? Is the picture black and white or color? Is it bright or dim? Is there a feeling associated with the picture? If yes, where in your body is that feeling? What is the shape and size of that feeling in your body? Are you in the picture or seeing yourself in the picture? Are there any internal sounds or external sounds associated with the picture? Is the volume of those sounds high or low? Now let's change two of those submodalities to start and change them to the opposite. After the end of this video, I suggest you take 3 to 5 minutes to change all the other submodalities to experience more of a transformation. So if you said the image was large or medium-sized, shrink it down. If the picture started small, blow it up large. And notice the difference making the size change makes in how you feel. What size feels better? Finally, are there any sounds? If not, add a sound or traffic noise or a baby crying. If there are sounds originally, turn the volume down to silence. Continue playing around and changing submodalities and see how you feel different about your relationship to money. In the next video, part 2 of this series, we will be working with a new technique around goal setting. And then again, changing the submodalities to train your brain to see your goals both as a possibility and an actual reality. Again, I ask if you could boop the like button if you got value from this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be sure to get part 2 of this video series. If you want to learn more about why money may be a struggle in your life, then click the link on the screen about the 5 reasons why so many people are